Hello creative friends, it's Eugenia from Art Milk Demi, and today I decided to make a butterfly on homemade pastel paper with some pastel pencils, and I might use my pan pastels for the background because I like filling up my space quickly and they're pretty handy doing that. So I have taken out a couple of my pastel sets. You don't need to have all of those. One, it would be plenty, especially for this uh, butterfly. Even if you have a small set of 12, it would do. You could also use color pencils. They don't have to be pastels. So yeah, whatever you see me doing today with the pastels, you can do exactly the same with your color pencils. The important thing is to make sure that you have sanded paper. I have made it. This paper, it's just craft paper, and I have put a clear gesso on top. So as you can hear, it is pretty rough, and it has lots of tooth to hold my pigment there. Now this kind of surface, it tend to eat a little bit more of your pencil, but it holds more pigment, so you have more vibrant results. So let's start and see how far we will go. So also the drawing for the butterfly, I have attached it as a printable link at the description below. If you don't feel like making a drawing of a butterfly, you can just print it and start painting, or you can use it as a reference for your own drawing and follow along. Okay, let's start then. there we go. I think that's all for tonight. We completed our little butterfly. I did use my finally the pan pastels. I found that they're not so easy to use on a sanded paper, but I still had good results. It's the little sponges are getting eaten up from the sanded paper, that's all, but nothing really drastic. Even the little cotton pad, as you can see here, it's yeah, it's been eating up from the sanded paper. But we have lots of benefits by using this surface, because it covers, as you can tell, really good. It holds pigment, lots and lots of pigment. The a little bit downfall is that it does eat a lot of your pencil, but you need to find some pigment to put. So yeah, I think I'm pretty content with the results and how my materials performed today. Hope you enjoyed it too. If you enjoyed that little butterfly tutorial, please don't forget to like it, thumbs up, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. We'll be trying lots of different materials and subjects. Yeah, so please do subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. That will allow you to get notifications every time we are uploading a video. And it's not only to notify you that we upload a video, but also to see what kind of video it is. So if you're interested, you can come and watch it. If you're not interested, you can just wait for the next one. So thank you very much again for watching. Hopefully we'll see you soon at my next video. And till then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Talking about keep painting, I better stop because that's it now. I'm just putting a little bit pink in the flowers just to give them a little bit of a pulse. And I think that's it. I'm not gonna might put a little bit, yeah, a little bit light pink too. So see, if I have 3 tones of I put 3 tones, we're giving 3D feeling. So you can put a red, a light pink, and you can put a darker red. And that's it for tonight. It is night now. It might be morning for you guys. So yep, I'm gonna put my pencils down. And that's all. Thank you. Bye.